Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that is by the brand called Dictopro, and pretty much what it is a digital voice recorder that's been used for like interviews or just conference or anything to record a some kind of audio and whatnot. So first thing first, let me unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first before we do anything else. So when you open the package, pretty much what you get inside, they provide you a Q&A card right here for any questions on how to use the product and whatnot. They also provide you a user manual on here on how to use the product. And then last but not least is the actual product right here, as you can see. So you can see there's actually a lot of stuff inside. They provide you a little bag to put the product inside. They provide you a micro USB to USB cable to power up or charge the product. They provide you a headphone that you can use to listen to the audio while you have the recording or whatnot, which is really cool. And last but not least is the actual digital recorder right here. So we'll open up and show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the product looks like. As you can see, they have the little logo right there and the record button right there. And as you can turn on this side, it has all the different buttons on here. So there's a volume up, volume down, backwards, forward, backwards, play button, and power button right there. If we look at the bottom, we have a micro USB and an aux slot to plug it in if you just want to use that option as well. And then I believe right here is the mic where it will actually record the product. So let's power it on right now and show you guys how it looks and whatnot, it works and whatnot. Alright, so it's on. So as you can see, when you guys turn it on, there's a battery right there, there's the date right there, time and the actual date right here as well. So let's give it a try and see when it works or not. So all we have to do is press the record button right here, so let's give it a try. Alright, so when we press the record button, this is what happens. So pretty much when you guys are recording it and you guys just leave it on, it does have this power saving mode where it turns off the screen, but it's still recording. You guys can see it's being recorded right now. So when we're done recording, I guess we should press this down. Alright, so it's saved. If you guys can see, it's saved. So let's test out and see how it works. So this is pretty much what it sounds right now, and it's pretty much recording right now. And it seems like it's working pretty well so far, but let's just stop it real quick and see how. So the audio does work on here, and you guys can control the volume setting on here as well, of like you guys want to turn it louder or softer. So this is what it sounds like on max. So the maximum is 31, if you guys can see right there. So it's actually really loud when you guys play it from the device, or if you guys want to listen to yourself, you guys can do that as well. So pretty much when you guys are recording it and you guys just leave it on, it does happen. So all you have to do is press these two buttons down if you guys want to speed up or go back just by a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds or whatever. Just press this and hold it down and it will actually rewind or go forward depending on what you guys want to do. And then what's really cool about this product is the fact that it has automatic noise reduction, so a lot of noise that you don't want will actually be cancelled out. Like you can literally record audio from like 60 feet away. So if I had this like back there, yes, you can still hear me recording, but it won't be as clear as like right here obviously, but you guys can still hear the audio. But if it's really noise environment, then you guys won't really hear me. But if it's really quiet like right now, then obviously you guys can hear me from even far away. So let's go over some of the stuff on this product. If you guys can see right here, it tells you all the stuff on here. So it has a 1-year warranty right here. It has a voice operated recording right here. It has amazing clear audio if you guys just heard right now. And you guys can probably even hear it clearer if you guys were to use it yourself. They have a 1-key recording option right here, which is why we just used that first. And then we have a low power audio save record. So if it's low on power, it'll save it for you automatically. They have ebook reading if you guys want to put your file on here and have it read to you. You guys can literally record anything on here. And probably one of the coolest thing about this product is the fact that it has password protection on here. So you guys want to like lock it and make sure people don't steal your files or whatnot. Then you guys can have a password on here, which is really cool. And then the storage on here is 8 gigabytes. So you guys can record up to 582 hours of audio on here, which is really cool. And obviously the last and most important thing about this product is the fact of how small and tiny and compact this product is, where you can literally bring this anywhere and you guys won't have to worry about bringing something really big to record the audio or not. So if you guys want something small and compact, then definitely check out this one or anything similar to this. So now that we did the test for this product and show you guys everything that's on here, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around like $38, and for that price range would I say that it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys plan on using a lot or need to use something to record some kind of like audio, interview, meetings, and etc. If you guys don't need it for any of those things I mentioned, then obviously don't buy it because you guys don't need one of these or just don't want one of these. But for me, honestly, I had to say that it's actually really worth it, because since I do YouTube and stuff, sometimes I want to go outdoors and record stuff and have those noise cancellation reduction for a certain noise that I don't want, and to record my voice if I do like vlogs and stuff, then this product is actually really useful. So as of right now, to say that the product is really worth it, probably have to test it out a little bit more when I actually do some vlogs, when I go traveling and whatnot, and see how well this performs outdoor compared to indoors. Because when I'm indoor, obviously it performs really well because there's no noise other than myself talking and other these cars driving by. But when you just go outdoors, it's a lot different, and you just have a lot more distractions and noise and all that stuff. So I'll probably do an update video when I go traveling or use it outdoor, and then give an update video for you guys. But as a first time perspective, it is really worth it. But other than that, that's much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have